Hey boys and girls, it's me, back with trades of the day. Hope you're doing fantastic. Gonna go review some of these and just do some updates and see what we got. So Tahoe today, T-A-H-O, got real close to getting stopped out, but we're back in the money with this one, with gold kind of popping today. So GLD, gold, had a nice, very nice move. And really for gold too, I was contemplating for a while getting into some type of iron condor or bull put spread, which could still be a possibility. But as of right now, most of the premium is pretty much non-existent. Even if you go all the way out till May, like a May 121, 120 bull put spread is pretty much worthless. There's not a lot of money in there. So anyway, most traders I think have some condors on gold because here's the monthly chart. Got the 100 simple there. I'm going to act as a resistance along as that little level. So if you're in gold, especially the physical metal, keep holding. Obviously long term, why not? No reason not to. And yeah, the GLD I think is going to slowly start getting exciting and interesting with a break above 128. But until then, I'm just going to kind of chop around. That's more or less just a fun update. All right, cool. Chicago Board of Options Exchange did get trailed out this morning with a gap down. And I was waiting on day trading it all morning. I was watching to day trade, but there was no setup that triggered on the CBOE. So here's the 5-minute chart, and I was waiting for the low of the day to kind of break down. Let this thing load. It's taking its sweet time. So here's the 5-minute chart, and the first 5 minutes opened up big bullish candles. We're trading sideways, and my entry was here about 115.95. For the bearish break, but it just never did. So anyway, the open of this one was 116.22. So we can close that down, 116.22, and a very small win on Chicago Board Option Exchange, CBOE. And we'll see if we end up coming back to that one. But I am keeping my eyes on that for a potential trade, maybe a little bit lower on CBOE. So I'm going to write that down for Thursday morning, CBOE. All right, just in case that continues lower. Next, we have WIN, W-Y-N-N, and WIN today. So this was a little bit of a pullback, and we still have it open 176.91, and we are pulling back. So this is what we got so far. It looks nice. I did some more research, and again, I didn't think if this is not going to fill today, I think we could probably get it a little bit lower, honestly. I could be wrong, but I think we can get it a little cheaper. Still looking at doing probably some type of spread on WIN. So what I'm likely going to do is just wait this one out, cancel the setup, and as it pulls back a little bit, I'll cancel that one. Probably end up getting into a bull put spread more than likely. So if it does something like this, trade back into that level, could bounce down here, but we'll probably get into a spread or something. Maybe even over earnings, could have some good premium, something in May. So we'll come back to WIN at some point, I'm sure. Caterpillar, ticker symbol CAT, slowly grinding back to normalcy. OKTA did trigger in today, so here's OKTA, and hopefully this trade will, work out. That'd be fun, huh? To get a winner, 39.35. So that's in. General Electric, here's ticker symbol GE. General Electric, the high of today, 13.96. Our entry was 13.95 on a pullback. So GE filled. Feels good to have at least one bearish trade open just in case, right? If the market just absolutely plummets, but that one's been pretty weak anyway. Here's AutoZone, AZO, and AutoZone. I think we can leave that one open. It looks pretty good for a possible breakdown. And then Square, ticker symbol SQ. So we had Square. Doesn't look like that was going to trigger. We wanted to trigger today. It did not, so we'll cancel it and just come back to Square at some point later. So we can cancel that one for now. But if you do have shares, a lot of traders have shares. I love Square as a company. I think a $70 May covered call is kind of fun, and at least a pretty decent one to keep your eyes peeled for. So swing trades from here. ACIA, ACIA. So this one is one that I like that it's trading sideways. I like what it's doing. And there's some solid premium down there at this support for a May 35 dollar put sale. A dollar limit has not filled yet, but I will post, and this is the one I think is the next one that we could absolutely be keeping our eyes on. So here's 3/21/2018 ACIA short put. I want 35 target credit. I would love to get $1, and that's May 18th, 2018. Again, naked put, and we'll see if she fills. So I'll throw that one in the list, and we'll just find out. But ACIA trading sideways, looking nice, doing its thing. I can kind of dig that. Next on the list is Overstock, OSTK, overstock.com. I'm gonna wait not wait, but gonna see if this thing can bounce off the 200 simple. So as far as the entry is concerned, I mean, this is gonna be a pretty aggressive little trade, but this would be a bullish stop limit, and the stop would be here. If you're a little bit more conservative, you could easily place the stop below the low of this candle, here at 39.65. Totally up to you, but I like the bounce off the 200. I like the morning star. I like the pennant pattern, and we might as well just see if this one can pop forth into a good setup. 321. So here's OSTK. I will put the chart right there, and then 49.30 is the entry, and then the stop would be 43.10. Obviously, you can do shares or options, entirely up to you, but I think shares would make the most sense on this one. And it's obviously a bullish setup, good based on a retest gap, open because it's not triggered yet, and that is overstock.com. And next on the list is Dollar General, ticker symbol DG. And Dollar General, ooh, actually kind of broke down. Interesting. Okay. I wanted to see how it was going to close today, but I guess that's a no-no. Shopify, let's go look at Shopify. Did retest a little bit today, but Shopify is getting up there. Big breakout on SHOP. I'm going to see if we can buy the dip on this one. I think she might pull back into here with a stop right there. So just looking at trying to catch a nice little pop lower into about the 20 approximately. So 144.92 by 137.51. And that'll be the third one. Here's 2018. SHOP. And we got 144.92. 144.92, which again, pretty much right there at the 20 EMA. Stop 137.51. And again, that'll be open. Charts right there. Bingo. Was his name-o. That's what we got. Interesting day in the markets for sure, folks. But thanks so much for tuning in. Thanks so much for being here. You are awesome. We will see you all later. And until next time, love life, and trade it. Bye.